everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gemma, this is Ellie, and this is A Girl So Geeky.
And Sewing for Swing.
And Sewing for Swing. You've probably just watched our other video, hopefully. Obviously we're wearing the same thing, we're in the same place, we've just carried on. So this is just going to be a really quick video. We just wanted to go over some sewing events. If you follow sort of Instagram, the sewing community on Instagram, you'll see that there are so many things coming up at the moment. Like the Sewing Weekender, you've got the Socialite Soiree or the Sewing Soiree.
And lots of other meetups.
Lots of other meetups.
You're probably thinking, wait, Cambridge, that's really far away. Bristol, I can't get there just for an evening. So what are you going to do?
Do it yourself. We've come up with some ideas of, like, if you want to have your own sort of sewing event, that you can just do it yourself. Obviously all these events that are going on, they're all around the country and you're not going to be able to get to them all, or then the tickets may sell out sort of way quicker than what you were able to get, or maybe you just can't afford it. Any of those things, you can do it yourself. It's really simple. We've sort of based our main sort of DIY on around the Sewing Weekender. So here are some ideas.
So first you need to find your sewing friends. You must have them.
Yeah.
If not, there's loads of people on Instagram that are going to be close to you, so stick a post in your stories and say, anyone local to me, I fancy doing a bit of sewing one weekend, would you like to come and join me?
There's also loads of posts on groups on Facebook, and they're always doing posts where they say, hey, where's everyone from? So have a look through, see if there's anyone that's sort of local to you, and just say, hey, I want to do a sewing event, are you interested? See what they say.
Yes, don't have to make it huge. We're planning on having maybe 4 or 5 of us get together to have a sewing day.
Sewing day, we're going to do it on the same sort of day that the Sewing Weekend is on, but we're going to sort of do it more just on the Saturday.
Yes.
Depending on how it goes.
So we're picking a day and then we're picking a location. So for some people this could be a craft room that's local to them that they can find, or a sewing space that's a community sewing space. I think there's quite a few people who are lucky to have those around them, so you could book that out for the morning. Yeah. We're going to use my dining room table.
Yay!
Because it's big enough to squeeze us all around with a few extension cables and 2 or 3 sewing machines.
Yeah, if everyone can bring their own sewing machine, then job done. All you need is the space and you've instantly got your sewing room.
And you can bring along your sewing project and share ideas. So one other thing that happens on the Sewing Weekender, you've probably read and you're like, but there's loads of people doing talks and loads of demonstrations and demos. So why don't you find them on YouTube? Or share your skills if there's something that you really want to know how to do, and other people know, oh, I can do a lap zip, I could show you how to do that. I don't know how. Let's share that skill and bring your projects that you need something that there's a bit new to do, and you can work on it together.
If you've got a UFO that perhaps it's something that you weren't able to do, bring it along. There may be someone there who knows how to help you.
Yeah. So a bit of that, and if not, why don't you just YouTube it all together and everyone can learn something new.
Set up your laptop or your TV, however you can get onto YouTube, find something that you're interested in and or that you want to learn, look it up, and then just have it play for everyone.
Yeah. So another bit about the Sewing Weekend is they provide food at Cambridge for them.
Yeah.
Well,
you can do that too.
Do that too. We were thinking if everyone brings a dish for lunch, and then, but it's, well, you each bring a dish and you all share. I'm thinking some nibbles as well, because everyone likes nibbles.
Yeah,
sewing. And cake.
Cake.
I'm sure someone can be in charge of baking a cake.
Yes.
Yes. Important for the afternoon.
Definitely.
And so dish and nibbles, and then you can take a break for lunch, lots of teas.
Yeah.
Maybe a glass of wine later in the afternoon.
Do we like wine?
I think we might do. I think we do. We also thought about maybe putting together a playlist so everyone can nominate songs for like their favourite songs. Yeah. Find them all on Spotify, play them through the afternoon, and everyone's listening to something they like. Yeah. Going on in the background. No awkward silences. Exactly. Because there's something filling it. Or if you've got a record player, stick that on.
Who loves a vinyl? We do. Obviously, the most important that we're really excited about is the goodie bags.
We're not going to the Sewing Weekender, we're not going to get goodie bags. Sad faces. But you could make your own to give to someone else. Yeah. And then they even get a personalised goodie bag.
Yes. Personalise it to that person. We're thinking of doing it in like a Secret Santa style. So you pick a name out the hat and that's who you buy for. Make it personal to them.
So you could make the bag that it comes in.
Exactly.
Project bags. Everyone loves the project bags to keep all their bits in. And then you could fill it with perhaps a bit of fabric from your stash that you know you're not going to use,
or a pattern from your stash,
and trims. And then, so if you had a bit of a limit, you might even be able to put together a kit for them for that pattern.
So trims, buttons, threads, you know, whatever you need.
It doesn't have to be sewing related.
Doesn't have to
I
be
love
sewing related.
sweets.
We all
Rhubarb
love
and
sweets.
custard, if anyone's watching and wants an idea. They're my favourites.
Keep that in mind.
Keep that in mind. So got some sweets in there and some other little goodies. We all love it when we get a parcel from an independent shop, and they
plus find out where that person lives. For example, obviously we're in Portsmouth and we have Fabricland local to us. Online, you can print out vouchers. Why not stick a voucher in there too?
Or if you picked someone up for someone else, maybe,
maybe
share a bit of that love. I'm sure the independent shops will absolutely love like a name and another person coming to them.
Yeah.
There's also just lots of little goodies, whatever you can find. Maybe make a few things to put in.
Yeah.
I was thinking you can maybe
the possibilities are endless.
You can make like a little pincushion.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah, or a little bag just to pop all your little
zipper bag.
Yes.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Have a little
I'm so excited.
And it doesn't have to cost very much.
No, put a limit on it.
£15 or £20 because you're not going to sew weekend there. It's then
exactly. You're already saving all that money,
and that's probably just your petrol money.
Petrol too. So yeah, definitely. I think that's easy to do.
Easy to do. So Secret Santa to sew something, and if you just get together to have a little sewing exchange and don't even get the sewing machines out because you just want to make goodie bags for each other. I think you won.
Yeah.
Yes.
Perfect.
So other things that are happening. What else is happening that we might be missing out on?
Exactly.
More sad faces.
More sad faces. You might have seen, I think it's the Sewing Social or the Socialite
Soiree. I think it's in Bristol.
In Bristol. So that's more of an evening do. You make a nice dress, you get together, you have drinks and dinner, and well, why not do that yourself? Do you have to go to Bristol for that? No.
And if you haven't been able to buy tickets, because I'm pretty sure they've sold out.
They sold out really quickly.
They sold out really not as quick as the Sewing Weekender, but still pretty quickly.
Very quickly.
I mean, we can't make it to Bristol just for an evening.
No.
It's not really.
It's a bit far.
Find somewhere to stay. And
yeah, it's just a bit much.
Isn't it?
So you can do that yourself. Again, find your sewing friends or friend, even if it's just one person. Make a nice dress, or if you've already got one in your wardrobe that you've made yourself, then fantastic. Pick a venue, dinner, drinks, whatever you like, and go out. Have a great time.
And then you can either walk home if it's even close to you, or just get a taxi back. You don't have to worry about all that travel and that extra expense of finding somewhere to stay.
Exactly.
So.
Super simple, super cheap, but still a great time. Plus you can wear all your sewing pins as well.
Yeah, and if it's not something you want to do in an evening, just go for afternoon tea.
Exactly.
Did I mention we like cake?
Yeah, tea and cake. So there are so many different events going on. There are always a way that you can put a spin on it to do it yourself. If you can't get there, if you haven't got a ticket, anything like that, find someone and just do it yourself. There are so many different possibilities.
Yeah.
There you go. So hopefully this has inspired you. If you do feel that you're going to arrange something or you make any arrangements with anyone, please let us know. We'd love to know about it.
Yeah, maybe we should come up with a hashtag.
We'll come up with a hashtag.
That we can
pop it here. And then, yeah, please tag us and let us know what you're up to. It'd be absolutely amazing.
Maybe like DIY sewing meetups.
Yes.
I feel like that might be a hashtag DIY sewing meetups.
Yes.
And then we can see what you're up to there. So just small scale local events.
Yeah, exactly.
You're not going to publish on Facebook and Instagram, but you're just going to...
It's just for yourself.
Do it for yourselves.
Yeah,
and
exactly.
And then share the love and maybe give other people ideas of what they might like to do.
And so hopefully, yeah, let us know what you're doing, what you're getting up to. If you are going to one of the events, then congratulations,
also,
have a great
if
time.
you're in Portsmouth, we've got space for a couple more people around our table, so
we do.
Comment below
and if you want to join in.
If you want to join in, and we can get in touch with us and we can maybe...
Exactly. Obviously, we do only have a couple of spaces, but again, if quite a few of you are interested, have a look in the comments and contact them and say, hey, they don't have any more spaces, there's loads of us, let's create one.
Winning!
Yay! Okay, well that's it for now. Hopefully
short and sweet.
Short and sweet, yes. I think this will, hopefully. As the last one was quite long, we are very parched. But yeah, so we'll see you soon.
Yeah, bye!